Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. We want to welcome everyone. Very shortly he will arrive. He's already on his way. And we want to please make an Vice Admiral retired Ibok Ete Ekwe Ibas, CFR.
The Supreme Court, in its ruling, and I quote this section, it said the political instability and violence in Rivers State have led to an environment that cannot guarantee the safe and orderly conduct of governance. Consequently, the declaration of state of emergency was deemed necessary to restore law and order and constitutional governance of the state. This ruling underscored the gravity of the situation we found ourselves in. And it is against this backdrop that I was tasked with restoring peace and stability in the state and securing it for a better future for all of us. Since my resumption in office, I've made it a priority to engage in meaningful and fruitful consultations with key stakeholders, including civil society organizations, traditional rulers, civil servants, and leaders from various sectors of our society. These consultations have been instrumental in identifying the key areas of focus for the development of Rivers State. Rivers State has a population of about 10 million, and 51% of this population is made up of youth. Given that the youth is the most active and vital force, in the society, the hopes of our nation, Nigeria, Rivers State in particular, and its future lie in the hands of its young generation. Therefore, my administration's focus on youth development is a multifaceted approach that seeks to prioritize 4 critical areas. First is education, providing our youth with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in a rapidly changing world. Creating avenues for young people to acquire vocational skills that will make them economically self-sufficient through skill development. Providing economic opportunities and ensuring that young people in Rivers State have access to job opportunities, and that our state becomes a hub for entrepreneurship and innovation and digital inclusion, embracing technology to ensure that all our youths are digitally literate and have access to global economy. Additionally, conflict resolution and peace building remain critical to our collective prosperity. We are committed to fostering an environment where dialogue and understanding between diverse groups will thrive and where we can heal the wounds of the past. It is important to restate my impartial stand on the political crisis that has plagued our state. I remain committed to upholding the law and ensuring that all individuals, irrespective of their political affiliations, have a voice in the future of Rivers State. My administration will continue to focus on the collective good of our people rather than partisanship or political advantage. Therefore, I call on all of you, the vibrant and energetic youth of this state, to embrace collaboration, dialogue, and continuous engagement. It is imperative that we all work together as one to ensure that the mandate entrusted to me by Mr. President is fulfilled. I will continue to prioritize the restoration of democratic institutions and to make every effort to restore peace and stability to our beloved state. Our goal is clear: to reposition Rivers State to its rightful place as one of the leading states in the Federation, and to create a conducive environment for sustainable development for all generations. However, this vision can only be realized through collective action. I urge all hands to be on deck. Your active participation, commitment, and support will be key in helping us achieve these lofty goals. Together, we can build Rivers State that we will all be proud of, where peace, prosperity, and progress prevail for all. Thank you, and God bless Rivers State.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always uphold the greatest Nigerian youth. I want to yarn. I want to say. I want to communicate. I want to present. I want to represent. Upon the greatest Nigerian youth. Greatest Bobo. Greatest Baba. Fundamental Kiki. Avubia. Kulu Kulu. Please have your seat.